Hello and welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at Litecoin and what the price action entails, right? Before we actually dive deeper into the technicals, I want to direct your attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you want to stay updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter at FXSCrypto. So back to Litecoin. So the last time I discussed Litecoin, I mentioned that it was forming a really bizarre triple tap setup, or like a bottom formation basically. And I kind of favored an uptrend to 185, probably with 200 after we get a retest of this demand zone here, which is, I believe, a 3-day demand zone. Yep, so it's a 3-day demand zone, which extends from $64 to $85. And like I mentioned in the last video, a move into this area would be a pretty good indicator that a reversal is likely, right? But for now, we've got something else, right? Which is the price managed to produce a lower low, and since then it's gone up. It's currently retesting the 112 and the 117 resistance levels, which is good, right? When you get this sort of price action where price forms a low and then invalidates that low, this is your signal. This market structure break is a fake market structure break, which is kind of like a tactic employed by market makers, which indicates that the price is actually going in the opposite direction, or at least they want the price to go in the opposite direction. This just dip down here is to lure traders to go short since it broke a low. So what I'm expecting going ahead for Litecoin is if we get a close above 117, or if we manage to flip the 117 resistance level, then there's a good chance we are going to make a run at either this swing high over here, which is roughly 144, and if we're lucky, we could probably even make a run at this double top and collect the buy stop liquidity resting above it. Right, it might not look like a good trade, but if you wait for a close above this and put your stop losses around the swing low, you could get anywhere from 2.39 R to 2.26 R. Right, but the this scenario is dependent completely on this two resistance levels here, which is 112, 117. So yeah, to summarize, the upside from a very conservative standpoint is $144. But if you want to play a little risky, you could probably close the positions around $153. Right. As for the downside, I don't see any threat of downside for now because we've already produced this setup over here. In the case that Bitcoin heads down to probably 40K, or dips back below 40,000 level, then I'm expecting Litecoin to retest this 3-day demand zone extending from 64 to 85. So that's it for Litecoin. If you enjoyed the session, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.